Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have an Amazon video, but it's a little different. It's basically like an unboxing. I'm going to be sharing some things that I've been purchasing lately, things I love, things that are favorites for sure, things that are fails, and things that I'm returning, and let me know what y'all think. I'm excited to get into it. Today's video also has a giveaway, which is very exciting. I've been talking to y'all about this one for a while. Y'all are gonna have the chance to win one of these super cool mini fridges by Kaluli. They're being nice enough to send one to one of y'all. So all the rules will be down below and at the end of today's video. So make sure you follow them if you want to enter. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And check out my Amazon shop. That's where I link all my Amazon favorites. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to talk about these shorts for so long. So one of my favorite clothing brands off Amazon is called Anakachi. They sent me the cutest tote bag. So this is how you spell it. Hopefully I'm saying that right. They sell really good quality clothes. Very trendy. Very super cute. So they sent me their new workout shorts, and y'all, I am obsessed with them. So not only are they like super good quality, but they're very inexpensive. So they have two styles. These come in 3 different colors. That was a 2. And I've always wanted to own a pair of shorts like these, but in white, and they're always super see-through. These are actually double lined. They have like spandex inside, which makes it so perfect. I literally just took these off. So cute, super nice and stretchy. So that one comes in white, and then the prettiest like mauvey pink. It's almost like a tulip shape, which is so flattering. And since it has the spandex underneath, you can do like so many different workouts, or you can just chill and dress them up if you want. And then that one also comes in the classic black. I am not kidding when I say I've been wearing these non-stop. And then the other style is so cool because it has double pockets, and they're kind of like hidden because they have zippers. Game changer. I love the thicker waistband, super nice and stretchy. So I will say with these, size up. I initially got a medium and they were too tight and short, so I will highly suggest sizing up. I have a large and I love these. So that one with the double pockets comes in this super pretty like teal blue. Once again, spandex inside, love, and then black, and then once again the super pretty pink. So thank you to Anakachi for sending these over, and I just need y'all to look at this tote bag. It says, this is my excuse for everything since the pandemic started, I am not a shopaholic, I am helping the economy. Me. Anyway, check them out. Highly recommend. They are so freaking nice. They feel like Lululemon. So I was gonna say I only have one jewelry find, but I don't think I've talked about my ring. I got this recently. How freaking cute is it? It comes in every single letter, and it's adjustable, so I love that I can wear it wherever I want. It is so cute. Literally like $9, y'all. I love it. And then the other find is this pair of little huggy hoops. Y'all know how much I love these. Y'all love these. They're like my best seller like every single month. But they look like this. These are different because they have those little dangly stars, and I thought they were so precious, so different. They're super comfy. They're gold plated, and these are pretty nice and good quality. I think they look cute. Let me know what you think. But once again, they were super inexpensive. I got a heated blanket, even though it is truly like 100 degrees in Houston today, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt. Like, what's going on with me? But anyway, I got a heated blanket. I have an excuse. It's not for me, it's for my grandma. So my grandma is this precious little skinny woman who is always cold, and I thought this would be perfect for her. I had no idea these were a thing. I mean, I did when I was younger, I guess, but not recently, and then I saw it and I was like, perfect for my grandma. So it is a nice little fluffy, super soft blanket. It has this little attachment that you take off to wash it. Actually, I got it. Haha. Anyway, you take it off to wash it, and then you can control the temperature right here. And like I said, it's super soft, perfect for my grandma or someone who is always cold, or maybe even like someone who's going to the hospital. I mean, to give birth or something like that. I don't know. I thought this would be great because it's really nice and soft, and and it's not super heavy, which is super important. I think it comes in one more color. I will say, like, that's the only thing. The color is very blue, but it doesn't bother me because my grandma likes it, so I wanted to show y'all. So one of my friends from LSU, her name is Carly, she's a blogger. She posted the cutest little scarf top tutorial. I'll put it right here if I find it. And I was like, oh my god, I need to get that. And I got this huge hair scarf off Amazon. I think this is silk, but I'm not sure. Comes in so many different patterns and it's only $9. But it's too big to be a hair scarf for me. And then I tried to do her cute little like knot front top, and my boobs are just not having it with it. So I think I might return it and just get like a little one to tie like on my hair. But if you're looking for something like this, I mean, it would totally work. It's just my boobs are not having it with it. So it's very, very cute, and like I said, comes in a bunch of colors. As per usual, TikTok made me buy this. So this is supposed to be an ashtray, and first of all, I thought it was super cute that it was pink. I don't smoke, nothing against you if you do. But I saw someone on TikTok put their little lipsticks in this, and I thought it was the cutest idea. However, this is teeny tiny. Like, I could barely fit like maybe 3 lipsticks in this. And also, this was $20. So I just can't justify keeping it. It is very cute. It also comes in a red. I thought the pink was super adorable. However, this is absurd. Like, absurd. This is too expensive and too small, so I don't need it, so it's going back. My dad and I have been cooking quite a bit since quarantine. I go over to their house all the time to cook fun stuff. We've been doing some sushi, and I thought I would get this little blowtorch from Amazon. Be warned, I haven't tried it yet, but I thought it would work. It had amazing reviews. There's nothing in it right now, so I can't really show you. I still have it in the box, but next time we do sushi and we like broil it or whatever, torch it, I'll take a clip and I'll show you. It was $19, not super expensive for what it is, and like I said, the reviews were great, so I'm very excited to try it and have it. Ooh, and maybe we can make some creme brulee too, we'll see. This makes me so mad. So I decided to get one of those rotating curling ones from Amazon, or curling irons, and this one has this little clasp. You do the home if you wanted to like return to the middle, and then you can twist it both ways. When I say I almost burnt my entire hair off, you don't understand. I've never been very good about like these kind of curling irons. Like, I've never been good at like twisting them and stuff. But I legit almost burned off my hair. So this one is definitely going back. Also, it was $70 or maybe $80, so not super worth it. I don't know if it's me, I don't know if it's it. I do find it quite hard to like maneuver, like clasping it and then moving it. Like, it rotates automatically, but then it's kind of hard to get it out. Personally, this is just not for me. My hair is really damaged, and I do not need something like this to make it even worse. I don't know if y'all are gonna believe me, but I only own one bra. It is one strapless bra that I got off Amazon, and I freaking love it. But I thought it was time to get a new one, so I went for this one. This was also kind of like a TikTok inspired purchase. I got my true size, which is a 36D, and this one definitely fits a little bigger, or like it's more full coverage, if that makes sense. It's so nice though. It is very comfortable. I love how the strap in the back is thicker, and it comes with the 3 little clasps. Let me show you. So it is very, very comfy. It comes in a bunch of different nude shades, which is great, very inclusive. And then the inside is very interesting because it's padded, and it almost like pushes your boobs to the center without being like a full-on like push-up bra. It's also a little longer in the front, which is flattering. I honestly have nothing bad to say. I love it, and it was very affordable. This is a dupe for a Nordstrom bra because I saw that all over the reviews. Not sure which one, but like I said, this one is great and very inexpensive. Okay, I'm excited for this one. So as you can see, I did my nails, even though I said I wasn't, but you know me. So this brand, Double Dip, let me show y'all their logo. Reach out to me. They're actually based in Texas, but they sell on Amazon, and they're just so sweet. They're like a small business. So they send me a dip starter kit, and I'll put right here everything that comes in it. And that little kit is only $30. I've tried, this is probably my 6th dip kit like thing from Amazon, dip powder kit, and honestly y'all, this is the best one. This is not sponsored. So it comes with honestly everything you need. So the top coat, the activator, a cuticle oil, which is great, I love this thing, and then the dip base. And then I chose, or I guess they sent me the kind of basic color, so they send this glitter one that's like a really pretty silver, the pink one, and the red one, and then this like nudish, almost like a terracotta, I don't know, that color. Honestly, one of the best dip kits and dip powders I've tried from Amazon. I highly recommend. Like I said, they're based in Texas. They're a smaller business. They sell on Etsy, Amazon, their website, so I'll link both down below. I am still doing that small business video. I'm just waiting for the items to come in. So if you have a small business, leave it down below. I don't know who sent me this. I don't know like how this happened, but I got sent some resistance bands, which is great. I mean, I'm excited to have them. So this is what they look like. They come in all sorts of like extra light, heavy. I don't know, I've never used these, but I'm excited to have these because I want to start doing more workouts to like tone my muscles and my body instead of just like doing cardio. So I thought these were great, so thank you to whoever sent me this. So they look like so. This is extra heavy. This one I'm pretty sure is the light one. It says it right here, which is pretty convenient, and like I said, the colors are so cute. This is the light one. That was the extra large one, or extra light, I don't know, heavy. And this one I'm pretty sure is medium. Yeah, so I'm gonna try those workouts. It comes with this little baggie to keep them all in. They feel really good quality, but like I said, I'm a newbie. I've never used these before. So stay tuned. I will update you in a finds and favorites. And then since we're talking about nails, I was trying not to do my nails like so often. Let's see how long this one will last, but I decided to get these fake nails. They're like those classic like French manicured fake nails, just to give my nails a break from all the gel and stuff. And these are really good. They come with like 1,000, no, not 1,000, like 100 maybe, I don't know, something ridiculous for like $9, which is way better than those little things you can get at the drugstore. So no glue though, so you do have to buy your own glue, but these are really nice. They're not as tall, oh my god, they're not as long as all the other ones I've tried. They're actually the perfect size. They're super easy, comes with a ton, very cheap, highly recommend. Okay, I've been meaning to talk about this. I meant to put it in that video that I did recently, like my Amazon beauty must-haves, but this is not a must-have, so that's why I didn't. But I wanted to review it. So this is the Wow Dream Coat. Let's see. Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture, humidity proofing powers. Okay, this is $28 and it's basically like a blowout spray. You need to use heat on your hair for this to work. It's basically like a protective coat that makes your hair like shiny and less frizzy because it protects you against humidity or whatever. Starting off, it's very expensive. $28 for a bottle like this size is a lot, and I find that I have to use quite a bit of product in order for my hair to look good. I just did my hair with my hot hairbrush and it's fine. I definitely noticed like an improvement in my frizz, but it's not like a game changer. So in my opinion, this is quite overpriced. I have to use a lot of it, which then turns my hair greasy, which then I have to wash my hair more frequently. It's just not for me. I'm obviously gonna keep it because I've already used it like 3 times, but honestly I was expecting at least a bottle to be bigger for that price tag. I'm not like super obsessed with it. So I wanted to show y'all the mini fridge that one of you will be winning. So I decided to go for this very nice white. It's so shiny and pretty, but you could totally get so many different colors. I'll put them right here on the screen. This one is very nice because it has this closure right here, and then it fits a ton. So you could definitely use this for skincare, but preferably I want someone that is in a dorm, in college, a teacher, or that works a job that could really benefit from having a fridge like this, not necessarily just like for aesthetics and skincare. So please enter if you're a teacher, if you're the mom of a student, or enter for someone that you know that could use this. It also heats and cools, and it has this really cool handle, and it comes with a thing to, or like an adapter to put in your car as well. So it's great for road trips. I just can't recommend it enough. It looks very nice and sleek, and it works, which is the most important thing. They also sell a smaller one if you're looking for like more of a skincare fridge. I'll link those down below as well. But yeah, I'll have the rules right now. So for the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and you have to follow Kaluli on Instagram. I will have their Instagram down below, but that is how you spell their name. It's Kaluli USA. And comment down below what you are. So are you a student? Are you the mom of a student? Are you in college? Are you a teacher? I don't know, anything you want. Just let me know something, and make sure you comment your Instagram username so I can contact you if you win. This will only have one winner. You can choose the color, but this is the model you're gonna be winning. I think it's a 10 liters or something like that. It is so nice. It heats and cools. It is just amazing. So right now my fiance just has some drinks inside. Actually just one drink inside. It fits so many things. You can use it for skincare, you can use it for drinks, you can use it for leftovers. It's just really amazing. So thank you to Kaluli for giving y'all this opportunity to win one of this, and then Kaluli will actually ship the product directly. So all the rules will be linked down below. Just make sure you follow everything and you enter, and I will have it end probably in like 2 weeks. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Let me know what you think about this style of video. It's basically like an unboxing haul almost. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to keep doing them? Like I said, it is quite excessive because some things were sent to me, some things I purchased myself from Amazon because I had a gift card, so that's why it's so many things. But let me know if you want to see more videos like these more frequently. I'm definitely still doing my usual finds and favorites. Anyway, that's everything for today's video. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for following me and being here with me. More videos to come. I'm posting 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday for the foreseeable future, so subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.